Hello, I am Seong-Cheol from Vika RBA. As you know, Korea is transitioning from temperate to subtropical climate. My topic today is tropical fruit cultivation and studies on the climate change in country, depending on our research. Due to the extensive content, and I present a brief overview. In Korea, the most widely cultivated fruits are apple, pear, grape, mandarin, peach, sweet mushroom. The cultivation area for these six major fruits have decreased gradually. The trend is continuing. In terms of production, there has been a slight increase in the past 3 years, but overall production has decreased. Imports of tropical fruits have increased annually about 4% from 2010 to 2017 due to increased domestic demand for tropical fruits. Although recently decreased due to export countries' production reduced, but the import trend is upward. Typical import fruits are banana, pineapple, mango, avocado. For mango, Thailand is the main supplier, account for about 50% of total imports. Imports from Peru has rapidly increased, while the FTA eliminated tariffs 2020. From now on, I'll present climate change in Korea. According to RCP and SSP scenario, by 2070, Korea's temperature is expected to rise by over 6 degrees Celsius, and precipitation also is expected to increase 17.6%. Due to global warming, subtropical Kaohsiung has increased on the Korean peninsula. This slide is similar to other countries and other past. In fruit industry, climate change affects in fruit production, such as change of the cultivable region, sunburn symptoms due to strong sunlight and high temperature, and abnormal flowering and fruiting. Reduced production volumes and quality, increased cost and reduced incidence. Also, severe price fluctuation due to supply and demand insecurity. And the rise of temperature presents I'm sorry. The rise of the temperature is cultivation area moving northward. It is reported that 2 degrees temperature increase should reduce the cultivation areas for apple by 34%, while the areas for mandarin could expand 30-fold. The impact of climate change on pork production in Korea, we are observing issues such as abnormal ripening, rice softening, and coral developmental problems, and sunburn and pear popping. Also, the occurrence of current pests is advancing, and these new pests are appearing. Metacarpa was first discovered in 2005 and Pochardia in 2009 and Ricorma in 2006. And these pests have now spread nationwide. Some examples of climate change adaptation in Korea, such as pest and disease monitoring and automatic alert and extreme weather alert systems. Also, cultivation and development of a resistant cold variety, and also installation of a shading net to avoid strong sunlight and high temperature, and rainwater harvesting facilities, and automatic opening and closing system for greenhouse during high rainfall. From now on, I introduce tropical fruit cultivation. To rise of temperature presents opportunity for tropical fruit cultivation in Korea. As shown in this slide, tropical cultivation area is expected to increase. As a result, several kinds of tropical fruits cultivation is cultured in Korea, and these fruit okay. These areas have increased rapidly recently, but due to high cost of house facilities and greenhouse facilities and treating system, and then it will be a minor crop in the future. This is the impact of climate change and our responses. For these studies, we use various facilities, spa, walk-in chamber, and temperature gradient systems. These facilities provide information on growth responses based on climate change scenario. We carried out 4 main areas. First, the production mapping of crop cultivable region according to climate change scenarios. Second is providing gross prediction information on a time base. And third, developing the automatic pest monitoring and forecasting systems. The last, introducing, evaluating, and developing cultivation technology for tropical fruits. This slide shows our research on high temperature and sunburn damage and installation of the shading net. Also, temperature, also studies on temperature, optimal temperature related to cold damaging. In mango, abnormal flowering and poor fertilization due to lack of sunrise. And we study for flowering and fruit. This slide shows the cultivation marginal area guideline provided to parents, and we provide the information on suitable cultivable areas for fruits with the web service system. Thank you.